Hello students, this is question number 5 of exercise 13.3. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Here we have to use the value of pi as 3.14. Suppose this is the conical tent which is to be made. The base radius is given as 6 meter and the height of the tent is 8 meter. And this is the tarpaulin we use to make this tent. This part of the tarpaulin makes the curved surface area of this tent. And this part makes the extra material needed for stitching margins and wastage. The dimensions of the conical tent are: its radius is 6 meter, the height of the tent is 8 meter, the width of the tarpaulin is given as 3 meter, extra length of the material required for stitching margins and wastage is also given as 20 centimeter. Which is equal to 0.2 meter. To find the curved surface area of this tent, we have to find the slant height of the tent. Slant height is equal to square root of r square plus h square. The radius is 6, so 6 square plus 8 square under the root, which is equal to 36 plus 64 under the root. Adding together, we will get 100 under the root, which is equal to 10 meter. So the slant height of the tent is 10 meter. Now let x be the length of the tarpaulin required to make the tent, excluding the stitching margins and wastage. So the area of the tarpaulin excluding the stitching margin is equal to the curved surface area of the tent. Area of the tarpaulin excluding the stitching margins is 3x. The curved surface area of the tent is pi RL. Here we have to take the value of pi as 3.14. So by placing values, we will get 3x is equal to 3.14 into radius is 6 and the slant height we found as 10 meter. 3x is equal to 31.4 into 6. To find the value of x, transpose this 3 to the right hand side. X is equal to 31.4 into 6 divided by 3. Cut this 3 and 6. Multiply this 31.4 and 2, then we will get 62.8 meter square. So the area of the tarpaulin excluding the stitching margin is 62.8 meter square. Now the total length of the tarpaulin is equal to 62.8 plus 0.2, which is equal to 63 meter. So the length of the tarpaulin required to make the conical tent is 63 meter.